Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I will show you how to create a Wix website from scratch, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown video. Even if you are totally beginner, whether you are building a portfolio, blog, business site or online, Wix make it easy. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what is Wix and why Wix platform? So this kind of a question will be arise on your head sometimes. So the answer will be Wix is a cloud-based website builder that allows anyone to create professional looking website without needing to code. It's designed for beginners and small business owners, offering powerful features through a simple drag and drop interface. So you can do many things with Wix. So first of all, let's go and talk about the platform. So here you can see we have the free version to use it, so no credit card are required. So if you want to use it, you just need to click on get started, or if you have an account, just click and go to the login and you will get the option to log in your website. So I already have an account, so I will just go with the login process. But if you don't, then you just need to go through these options to get started, and the process is very simple. It will take around 2 seconds or 30 seconds time. So once you're done, then here you will get this kind of options where you will get the options to create your website with Wix. This is the dashboard panel, and here I'm going to start from the scratch. So first of all, let's build a website with Wix. So I'm going to click on this 3 button, and then I will click on create a new site. Once I click over here, now you can see the URL. We will walk through a process right now, that is bring your ideas to life with AI. Tell us about the site you are creating and get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you can create your website using artificial intelligence. You just need to go through these options called StarterJet, but I only use my brain, that's why I'm going to select this one, setup without chat. So I will don't take any help from artificial intelligence, that's why I will check this one. And then here we'll see this is the second option, that's called what type of website do you want to create. So I'm going to click on portfolio, that's why I will check this portfolio, then click on continue. Once I click over here continue, then you can see they are preparing our dashboard for our users. So with the Wix we can do couple of things, like for personal business blog website we can create, then we can customize our template, and they provide almost 800 templates in this Wix platform. So here I'm going to give a name, that will be my name. I'm going to give my name, and once I'm done, then I will click on continue, or you can skip whole process if you want, but I just want to follow the whole process so you can find out this video is helpful for you. So I'm going to click on continue. Once I click over here, now here you can see choose the apps you would like to add your Wix platform. So I will add portfolio option. Don't Instagram is not essential for me, so I'm going to uncheck it. Blog will be necessary, like I sometimes, like often I write blog, that's why I choose blog. Then click on continue. Once I click over here continue, then here you can see you are all set, continue to dashboard. So creating a website in Wix is really simple. Once you're done, then here you can see they are asking for connect a custom domain over here. So let's click on design site, and then I will talk about this couple of options here. So first of all, we are going to talk about design site. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then they will ask you to add a template or pick a template, or you can generate your design through AI, or you can continue with setup for now. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to pick a template. Just click over here. I already mentioned that we had almost over 800 template on Wix, so I'm going to choose from this place. So here you need to find out which one will be relevant for you or your business. So I am a content creator, so I'm going to choose this one, photographer. This may be a perfect for me, or you can click on personal options. Here you can see this one really creative, so I'm going to click on this view. Once I see the demo, and if I found out this demo is really cool, then I will select this one, Here you can see, so yeah, it's really cool. So I'm going to edit this side. Just click over here and it will be implemented on our Wix. Then what we can with like Wix, that is add feature like contact from booking system or online store. So we can add this kind of a feature in our website with Wix. So here you can see that our website has been adding Wix portfolio, and it will take a while to complete it. And once complete, let's talk about the options here. Let's back to template, or we can stay here, and it once done, here you can see enhance your AI content. So I will leave it. Let's cross this button, and now it has been done. Here you can see this is our website. You can, if you click on quick edit, you will get these options in the right corner. You can change text, you can change the paragraph, you can change the title. So I'm going to add my name over that place. That will be here, and I'm going to remove this underline. Just select this one. Once I'm done, then I will come back. Photographer, a bit about me. I am who this one good. And then you can add your paragraph. I am a content creator, and then you can add your whatever things you want to add. You can change button, you can change project button, and many more. If you want to add this section, you can change your paragraph inner. Then you can change like one by one. You have the access to change each and every parts on the website. So this is the great thing. Then let's talk about these sections in the left corner. What is the thing are they? So first of all, here you can see we have first option that's called add elements. What is the meaning of this add elements, and what is the work of this add elements? So first of all, if you click on add elements, then here you will find out some options in this element that's called text, image, and many more. So you can add all of these things on your website from this element options. It makes your website much organized and memorizable. So here you can see this is the list: embedded code options, social options, then also we have CMS options, then store options, and booking event, and many more. You just need to be explore it one by one. So I hope you understand what is the work of elements. Then the next one is add sections. What is the meaning of add sections? So it is really easy. As you can see, we already getting some previous design like a welcome page, then we have about sections, then we have theme section. You just need to be drag it drop in here, and you will get this section on your website. So it's really easy. If you are really able to use it perfectly on your website, it's really reduce your stress about the work. So I hope you understand what is the thing of this section. Then you have this one. It is really important. It's a page or menu option. So here you can easily create a new page for your website. Just click on add page and then click on blank page. Then you will get the options to create a new page. It already done to create our new page, and we have the option to add section generator from AI, then design section, then add elements. Then we have these options. It's called site theme. Like sometimes you can see that the brand has their own color, like Amazon, like Tesla, and like Apple. So I think you might have some color and you will use in your website. So my theme will be this one, vibrant, retro vibrant. Then you can see our color theme has been changed. So this way you are allowed to change your color, whatever color you want to use. Then this is Wix App Market, like the Play Store or Apple Store. So here you can install apps from that place for your website. Then let's go to the next one. This is Wix blog or Wix portfolio. So you can write, I already mentioned that I have the eager to write something on blog or any other kind of platform, so that's why I choose Wix blog. So here you can easily create posts like Facebook, Twitter, and Medium. So you can manage blog page, and many more. Then we can add image through these options. Here you can see Photo Studio. We have a couple of free Wix image, Wix video. You can add it in that platform. then we have these options. It's called, like I can say, this one is CMS, so you can add this to your profile or your portfolio. Once you're done, then your work has been done. Now you just need to be click on publish. Once you click over here publish, then you will easily find out your website. It is online. So here you can see this is the website, and our website has been published and live online. So here you can see this is the design. It looks really amazing, and as you can see we have couple of pages. I already created this one in front of the video. You can see new page, and we don't have any elements over that panel. So I hope you understand how easy the process is to create an website by using Wix platform. So I hope you love this video, and let's talk about the popular feature in Wix, that is Wix Editor, and it is associated with artificial intelligence. So by messaging you can create your website. Then we have Wix Apps Market, like we can add features like stars, blogs and chat. So we have also a SEO and analytics tool in Wix, which is pre-built in here. If you go to the dashboard, then you will find out these options, SEO and analytics. Here this is the admin panel, I can say the dashboard panel, and here you can see this is the analytics sections. Here you will find out the option for SEO. So Wix is one of the easiest and most flexible tools for building a website in 2025, making it perfect for beginners, freelancers and entrepreneurs. Let me know if you would like a comparison video Wix and other builders like Shopify, WordPress or Squarespace.